back to Conde TV. I'm Tori, and today we're going to be working with our compact mirrors. They come with an aluminum sublimatable insert that you can stick on the top and then give them as a gift or sell them in your store. They come in a variety of different styles and sizes, so be sure to contact your Conde account rep and find out which one works the best for you. I'm going to be sublimating the top piece in just a second, so let's get started. Now, when you first get your compact mirror, you're going to notice it comes with a little adhesive strip. We're going to set that to the side until we're ready to assemble our aluminum piece with our mirror. Now, our first step is going to be to peel off the little protective coating from our substrate, and we do this because we don't want to ruin our image or our press. Then I'm going to bring my premium gold heat tape that I brought along and have that nearby as I center my aluminum panel to the image. Then I'm going to take a little piece of heat tape and just apply that over the top, making sure that it is centered with the image. Once that's secure, I'm just going to take one more piece and do the same thing to the other side. That looks good to go, so now I'm ready to head to the press. Now I'm working with my DK20S today, so ideally you could sublimate, a lot of these aluminum substrates. However, I'm just going to be sublimating one today. But to give you an idea, it's a big, big space for sublimating. I'm going to put my aluminum substrate down with the image face down, and I'm going to cover it with another piece of protective paper. And I've got mine centered here, ready to press. For all of the latest instructions, be sure to check out conde.com. And that sound means we're done. So we're just going to remove the paper. And let's check out our aluminum substrate. Let's see if you can see it. It looks good, but it's really hot, so I'm going to let it cool, and then I'll assemble it with our other compact mirror. So now that our insert has had some time to cool, it's time to assemble our compact mirror. Like I mentioned earlier, it does come with a double-sided adhesive. You're more than welcome to use this, or if you're working in a production environment, there are other options like the E6000 adhesive that we sell here at Conde, or any other type of glue. But today, I'm going to be using the adhesive. Now, this adhesive is really strong, so when you do put it on your compact mirror, make sure it's exactly where you want to place your little aluminum insert. So now that this is nice and secure, we're just going to peel that top layer off. And then we're going to take our aluminum insert, and we're just going to gently place it right on top, securing it down with our fingers. I'm going to give it a nice little press too, just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And that's our compact mirror. So this is an incredible product in a lot of ways, but I really like it because if you have a smaller press you're working on, you really can sublimate a lot of these inserts in a short amount of time. Be sure to contact your Conde rep and let them walk you through all of the details of this product to make sure you find the right fit for you. For more tips, products, and services, visit conde.com, and for more of my videos, be sure you're watching Conde TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.